With this feature, you can connect Releasit to your Google account to import order information from the Cash on Delivery form to a Google Sheets spreadsheet. To import your order information, the first step is to connect your Google account to Releasit. To do this, go to Settings and Integrations. Then, to the Google Sheets page. Click on the Sign In with Google button. Then, select the account you want to connect with the application and grant all permissions. After completing this step, click on Refresh on the Google Sheets page. Now you will see the checkbox, Enable Automatic Import of Your Orders on Google Sheets, activated. When this checkbox is enabled, the application automatically imports order information from the Cash on Delivery form into the selected Google Sheets file. If this option is disabled, the application will not import your orders on Google Sheets. Here you need to select a spreadsheet file from the drop-down menu. The files shown in this drop-down menu are Google Sheets files in the connected Google account. Remember that the application does not accept Excel files, only Google Sheets files. If you don't have a Google Sheets file for Cash on Delivery orders, create one in your Google Drive and then click the Refresh button. To create a Google Sheets, go to your Google Drive, click on New, then select Google Sheets. Add a name to your file to create it without any issues. Now, go back to Configurations and Integrations. Click on Google Sheets and click Update to see the created file. Select the sheet in the file you just connected where you want the orders to be imported. This drop-down menu shows you all the sheets in the selected file from the previous option. It's important to remember that if you change the sheet name in the future, you need to update the sheet in this option. In the drop-down menu, select which types of orders to import. You can choose the type of orders you want to import on Google Sheets. Select Only Normal Orders to import only orders that have been completed by the customer on the form. Select Only Abandoned Orders to exclusively import orders that have been abandoned by the customer on the form. Or select both Normal and Abandoned Orders to import both. The checkbox, Import Abandoned Orders on a Separate Sheet, is used to select a separate sheet within the same file to exclusively import abandoned orders. With this feature, you can separate abandoned orders and regular orders into different sheets. Once you have created and connected the spreadsheet file, it's time to configure the information you want to add to your automatic order imports. Go to Configure Your Columns fields and click on the drop-down list. You can find basic and advanced data to configure which fields go in each column. These selected fields are just an example. We encourage you to choose the ones that best suit your needs. You can use the horizontal scroll bar to configure more columns. You can also select custom fields from the menu. These custom fields always have the prefix custom to help you identify them. Similarly, you can have empty columns to visually separate the information. It's also possible to directly access your connected sheet and modify the text in the columns on the first row, also known as header, without affecting the orders imported by Releasit. By placing a test order in your Shopify store, you can see the information reflected directly in the spreadsheet with the selected data. Remember that this is not a retroactive functionality, meaning you will only see data from orders made after connecting the spreadsheet, not from previous orders. We invite you to try out this functionality and have greater control over your orders. Thank you for being part of Releasit. Remember, if you need further assistance or have any questions or concerns, you can contact us through our agents. We are happy to assist you.